Hey everyone, it's Steve from itmakessenseblog.com, and today I want to show you how you can easily import data from one website to another using the WordPress importer, so stay tuned. Migrating your data from one website to another is very easy because of this plugin from WordPress called the WordPress Importer. Now, it will import from one website to another your posts, the pages, the comments, the categories, and the tags. What it won't import is your plugins, your themes, that you will have to do separately. So let me show you how you go about doing this. Now, you are going to need access to both websites. You're going to need the access to the one that you're going to import from, and you're going to need access to the one you're going to import to. So I have a website that I have here. It's a basic website that I use for all my training. And if I go to the dashboard, you can see I have 3 pages, and I also have 3 different posts. I have different categories for each post, and I have different tags for each post, just to show you how when I import or export this to another website, these 3 pages and these 3 posts with the categories and the tags will follow. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Tools, and you need to go to Export. Now you can do all content, which is all the post pages and all of the images. You can do just posts, and you can choose in a specific category, what author, date ranges. Same thing with pages, same thing with media. But for now, I'm just going to export all the content on this website. So what you do is you go to the tools and hit the download export file. And that will download an XML file to your hard drive. Just remember where it is downloaded. So that is step 1. And the last thing I want to mention before we move on to the next step is that I have the Astra theme. So my website looks like this right now, and I will show you what happens when you don't have the same theme. It'll look jumbled, and I'll show you how to fix that. Okay, now we're on step 2, and this is just another website I just created. It's got nothing on it, so let's go to the dashboard. And the first thing I want to do is I want to delete the custom posts or the posts that come with this. I'm going to just get rid of this and go to pages and get rid of these pages that come with this theme. Now the second step that you want to do once you're on this, after you deleted the pages and the posts, is go to Tools, you go to Import. And you'll see that you have this WordPress plugin that you need to install. So install that now. And then you're going to run in the importer. Now, once you're in the importer, you go to Choose File, and I'm going to go to my Downloads, which is where the XML file that I exported was saved. So I'm going to hit Open, and then I'm going to hit Upload File and Import. Now, depending on the amount of information you have to import, it could take a little bit of time. But before you do that, it's going to ask you, do you want to import and create a new user, or are you going to use the existing user that you have set up on this website? So I'm just going to select this. All the posts and pages are going to be assigned to the user already set up for this website. And I want to download and import all the files and the attachments. So I'm going to hit that. Hit submit, and then you wait. All right, once it's done importing, you're going to have all done, have fun. And so let's go to the pages, and you should see the 3 pages. All 3 have been imported. And if I go to posts, all 3 posts with all 3 categories and all 3 tags have been imported into the site. However, I want to show you, if you go to the site now, it won't look like it did on the last. So that's because the theme is different. So to fix that, I would go back to the dashboard and go to Appearance. I go to Themes, and on that other website I had Astra, so I'm just going to search for the Astra. I'm going to install it. and then I'm going to activate it. Now if I go back to the site, it should look like the other site, and it does. So just be careful of that, because the first time I did that, I didn't notice that, and I was wondering what the problem was. Now just remember that this importer works great for posts, for pages, for categories, for your tags. It won't import your theme, obviously, like we just showed, and it won't import your plugins or other. Sometimes I found that the images don't import, that you just might correctly. You might just have to go back and fix some of those, but other than that, that's just an easy way to import data from one website to another. The WordPress importer makes it really easy to move your posts and your pages from one website to another. I just recently did this. I had about 30 posts and about 10 pages, and it doesn't move your plugins, it doesn't move your theme, so you have a little bit of work to do after, but it makes it, it's just an easy plugin to use to move from one to the other, especially if you are changing hosting services. If you want to learn how to create a website, no coding required, no, it's perfect for beginners, I have a free video course that I'll leave a link down below that you can sign up for. It'll teach you how to create a website, what web hosting to use, how to choose your domain name, how to create menus, how to create pages, and there's even a little about SEO in there. So I'll leave a link down below. If you like this video, please hit that like button and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and subscribe to my channel, and because I'm producing content all the time, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.